Okay, so here are the independent practice problems on page 485. I'm gonna go pretty quick through these. So I see multiply, I'm gonna divide. We got s plus 3 is left equals 72 divided by 8 is 9. Subtract 3, s equals 6. Right, that cancels. 9 minus 3 is 6. We'll keep going. Divide both sides by -7. Those cancel. The negatives cancel. Z minus 6 equals 70 divided by 7 is 10. Because the negatives canceled. Plus 6 on both sides. Z equals 16. Great, now I can't read the other problem. Divide by -2. And again, the parentheses are around the -2, so you don't think you're subtracting 2. I mean, you are, but it looks better. It is subtracting 2 kind of, but it just looks better that way. So cancel those. T plus 8 equals 12 divided by 2 is 6, 1 negative. And then minus 8. We're left with T equals -6 plus -8 is -14. And this one, I hate when they're on the side here. You want to you can ignore my 4 so I can actually multiply. You want to multiply by 11 over 8. That's my big dot. That's multiply. Multiply by the inverse. Okay, that's 64 over 1. So 11's cancel, 8's cancel. We're left with n minus 10. And then that's equal to, so we're gonna do, I'm gonna cancel before I multiply. 64 divided by 8 is 8. So, and 8 times 11 is 88. So n minus 10 equals 88. You could have done it like 64 times 11 and then divided by 8. You would still come up with 88. Add 10, n equals 98. Okay, and this one, oh, that looks great. Divide both sides by 0, negative 0.8, negative 0.6, negative 0.6. Cancels. R plus 0.2, yeah, that's 0.2, equals 1.8 divided by 0.6 on my calculator is 3. And since there's one negative, it's negative. Then you subtract 0.2. Those cancel. And this is actually easy because it's -3. You can think of it as 3 and 0.2 together, right? -3 plus -0.2. So I'm gonna put my answer up here. R, oh no, down here. I think you can see that. Yeah. R equals -3.2. Okay, one more. I don't want to do this one. I'll do it. It just looks kind of annoying. Yes, because there's so many fractions. Okay. Well, I think you could see. I'm going to multiply. This is kind of hard. By 3 over 2. By -3 over 2. I think you can see that. So multiply by -3 over 2. The negatives cancel, the 3's cancel, and the 2's cancel. You have to do that to this side times -3 over 2. Both negatives cancel. Okay? And I'm going to simplify before I do it. So that's 2 over 1. So we got 6 over 5. Our negatives cancel on that side. So we are left with, on this side, W minus 4/9 equals, are you kidding me? 6/5, really? Kidding me? Okay, so now we can't add those all together, right? Because if we add 4/9 to this side, cool, that'll cancel. But we have to add 4/9 to that side. So we have to add 6/5 plus 4/9. To use, you want to find the greatest common factor, and I would just change them both to fractions over 45. I love that this is a problem. So to change 6/5 to a fraction over 45, multiply by 9 over 9, and multiply that one by 5 over 5. So 6 times 9 is 54. So this one would be 54 over 45. You can check that. I think you could still see my corner, or hopefully. And then 4 times 5 would be 20 over 45. So then you add the top, 54 plus 20 is 74 over 45. And I'm not gonna reduce it anymore, I'm over it. So it's 74 over 45. I probably did it wrong somewhere, but I'm gonna leave it like that.